what we try and do is offer early cost involvement. So with some of the art delivery partners we work with, we don't tender for work, so we'll be introduced and we'll negotiate projects, and that's great because we can offer loads of value then, and especially around these areas that we talk about here. So we can say, we've got ground source heat pump, air source heat pump, PV panels, battery storage, insulation, rainwater harvesting, all of these things. We've done it. We can, we can back cost. We can back cost these things and say, look, here's roughly what if you go for ground source over air source, here's what it's going to cost. If you give that to them before they've designed it into the building and they've sunk £15,000 in design fees with an architect and an MEP consultant, if they can have those conversations early, I think more gets built, because if that's important to them, then there's other areas within a building you can save money. But if it happens at the end when they've got their planning and it's a certain footprint and the facade needs to look a certain way and they have to use a specific roof tile, if it's that point that you're trying to retrofit costs and sustainable elements of the building, they're not going to change the building. They're not going to go back through planning for it to find the savings. So if you have the cost conversation earlier, I do think we would be able to work with clients and architects to include more of these sustainable elements in all the buildings we do.